Hey guys, so many people ask me that how N8N can be updated. So with our setup, okay, with the Coolify and all, so how basically we can set up N8N. So when we talk about, let's say, N8N, so if you just go to docs and you can click on release notes, and this is basically the place where you guys can see all the updates they bring. Okay, every single time you will see that, okay, this was N8N version 1.120.2. Okay, and you can also see the release date, that when they have released this particular update. So similarly you can see at when you scroll down, you will see all the updates about it. But how we can actually update that? So it's very simple. So what you need to do is that before update, make sure that you first log into your N8N, and in your N8N you can see here the what's new. Okay, and here you can see that they have brought the data tables. That means now you don't have to depend on third party software like say a table Google Sheet. You will directly going to get the data tables inside it, and if you tap on it, you will be able to see that what this data table is all about. And you can also see a demo from N8N how this feature basically works. Similarly, they have the native Python tags. Okay, and you can also see the full change log. Even if you tap on it, it will take you to the same place, and it will just going to tell you that, okay, what are the things they have brought. Okay, but the thing is that how we can basically update this particular thing. Okay, so you can see when you click on this update button at bottom here, 10 versions behind. Okay, and if you click on, let's say, update button, so you will basically be able to see that it will not basically automatically update when you have the setups like with the Coolify and all. Okay, it will not basically going to do that. So for that, there's the very simple thing which you guys can do is to go to your, first of all, Contabo. Okay, so the thing is that before you update anything on the uh, uh, on your server, first create the snapshot. Okay, so basically Contabo allow you guys to create the snapshot. So what basically snapshot will going to do? So for example, your VPS is currently in this particular position, but let's say you thought that, okay, I want to make some changes in my N8N or maybe on my server. So you're just doing some sort of a testing, but you're afraid that after testing if something goes wrong. Okay, so with this when you create this snapshot, so in future if you've done some mistake on your servers, you can basically recover to that screenshot snapshot. Okay, so basically when you will, let's say, create this snapshot right over here, just name this, let's say, uh, let's say maybe today's date, let's say it's 20th November. Okay, you can just write the description of the screenshot. That's totally up to you. Just click on create a screenshot, and what it will going to do is that it will just going to create the snap shot. Okay, and if, let's say, if you just see here, it will take few seconds, and boom, your snapshot has been created. Now the best thing is that, let's say, if you try to update something, or you have done some mistake, so you can always click on this button, and you will always come to the current position, okay, which you are right now. Okay, so now after you have created the snapshot, now you are in the safe side. Okay, now what we can do is that we can just simply go to Coolify right over here, and after we come to the Coolify, you just have to go to your project. So wherever you have created the project, just go to that project. You can just close your anything and all. Okay, today my net is little bit slow, but just go to that particular service. Let's say this is my anything, I created to anything. So I have one more. Now what you simply need to do here is just click on it, and you guys will going to see something known as advanced right over here. Okay, um, so the latest configuration has not been applied. Okay, that that we know. So just click on this advanced. Here you see this particular section, and click on this pull latest images and restart. Click on it and just wait for few seconds, okay, and it will automatically work. And do not disturb this particular procedure, just wait for it, it will automatically going to do. Just give it some time and everything will be work for you. It can take some max to max 5 minutes, I guess, but it will just going to pull all the latest updates which you will which are available for the updates, and your N8N will automatically update. In some case, if something goes wrong, so we have the snapshot ready. We can anytime just click on the rollback button and we will go to the previous step before we have performed this particular action. So now you can see it's waiting for the process to start. So just it will take not too much time, just wait for 5 minutes. I'm pausing the video, so after that everything will be good to go. Okay. Okay, so you can see that it has created, it has started the pool, and at the end it will say something like this: pool complete. Okay, so it will work in the background. So all you need to do is to cross it. Okay, just click on this cross button which you see right over here, and just click on this button, deploy. Just click on this deploy button, and boom, your N8N will start to work. Okay, so just wait for few seconds. Again, don't interrupt this particular thing. Very easily it will automatically going to work for you guys. Okay, so you basically don't have to interrupt any of the settings. Just wait for few seconds and you can see it will just going to redeploy that for you. Okay, so just wait. Let's cross it. Okay, and what we can do is that once you have done this particular setting, okay, so automatically it will, you basically don't have to do anything. You can see it's automatically working in the background, starting unhealthy. Okay, it will start to show you guys that, but don't worry about anything. You can see it will automatically going to work in the background, and it will just going to perform the thing until unless you see green. Just wait for it for a few seconds and automatically it will start. Okay, so just give it another few seconds and then everything will going to work for you. So you guys can see that it's starting. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, it will always take few seconds, and anytime you can just click on this refresh button as well to just check the status. Okay, click on it and it will always going to start your N8N for you. Just again wait for few more seconds and it's almost done. Okay, so now it worked after the restart. Now what you need to do is that you just need to go to automation dot, that means your whatever application which you have installed, that you can see directly from here. So my net is little bit slow, let's wait. So you can see it's almost done. And now here you can see in the what's next, we have basically installed each and everything, and here is showing 0 version behind. That means our N8N is now up to date. So that's how you guys can update your N8N very easily with the Coolify setup.